Hey Diamond Painter and Crafter, so today we will be doing two unboxings from Diamond Art Club, and I picked them up at Joann's, and they are discontinuing the designs they have right now, so if you've been keeping an eye out for one of them, you might check it, but just be aware that there was a price uppage online. Like one of the paintings I got was originally $42.99, and they upped it to $46.99. So just be on a lookout for that because they are not on the website anymore. But these are two that I picked up. I could have probably waited on one, but I wanted to get this other one because it's the only one they had. So keep an eye out for those clearance prices at Joann's. Hey guys, so these are the two Joann's Diamond Art Club kits that I picked up today from Joann's, and I thought they were on a decent sale, but they wasn't too bad. A little disappointed in some of that. I explained it a little bit at the beginning. But anyways, they are discontinuing these kits from Joann's.com and Joann's stores. So if you've been keeping an eye out for one, keep an eye out and see if they put it on clearance. They only had one of these left at mine, and then they had a couple, like 2 or 3 of these left, so I could have probably waited on this one, but my husband was with me, and he just goes ahead and buys. So anyways, glad I picked this one up because it's the last one. Again, this one I could have waited. So let's jump into this one first because I know this one's a popular kit. This is the pink Lotus. It is 22 by 17. It is round. And it does tell you the information over here. So this is a little bit new if you want to know how many drills are in this kit. So this kit has 30,447 drills with 57 colors. So again, if you're looking for these on the Joann's website, I can't get that to clear up. They will not be there. They have discontinued them, and yes, I do know that for a fact because I saw a post from it on Diamond Art Club's Facebook page. So, I am not wrong in saying that right now. So, we will jump into this. So, I get out the thing, and there's extra stuff in there. Always look for the extra stuff in there because sometimes it gets stuck. So, with theirs, they give you the little sticker. So here's the little sticker you get with it. I haven't really done much with these. I just usually keep them. And then they give you the warranty, which I already filled out. Sometimes it's easier just to Facebook message them. And then you get, and theirs, this is one of their older ones. So you get your baggies, you get your blue stylus, your blue grip, and your little boat. Now, if you do purchase a new Diamond Art Club kit, I think there's some new stuff in there. You get a 4-placer, which I really wish we could get a 5-placer. That's my favorite placer. But I only use the 5-placer, so I hate buying the kits on like Amazon that has like all the different ones. So if yeah, I really wish I could find, instead of Etsy where you pay like $1 for the placer, but like $3 for shipping. So I'm trying to find a place where I can just buy a 5-placer because that's what I really like using. And then we'll jump into these right here. So Diamond Art Club canvases are softer than the Diamond Art canvases. So this is actually not as soft as I felt some of them before, but it is still soft. It's like a velvety feel to the back. They are glitterized. So what I mean by that is the canvas has glitter, and I will show you what I mean. This one has a whole bunch of colors, but isn't that pretty? So again, you can unroll this. I'm not going to unroll it the other way because I'm going to end up rolling it back and putting it back in the box, but I wanted to roll it up to show you guys the clarity. So this is a good clarity one. You can see the drill field. It is round. Kind of color blocking in some areas, especially up here where it's all these blues, but let me see if I can get it to clear up where you can see the field, but it does not look like it's going to because of the angle I'm at. But there it goes a little bit. There it went a little bit, if you can see that. So this one is so many colors that it's kind of funny that pretty much the legend takes up the whole page. It's pretty funny. So 57 colors with, does this one tell you how many ABs? Yes, 3 ABs, which I think are at the beginning. Year 1, Year 2, and Year 3. So that's pretty nice. Very clear. You got a lot of color blocking, actually. So a lot of color blocking until you get into some of this flower, but very pretty. Oh, it's called Pink Lotus. You do get your sticker sheet. So if you kit up with the stickers, you get your sticker sheet with your other sticker. I usually cut these out and laminate it. However, this one doesn't seem that pretty printed like that, but I usually print it out and laminate it and hang it up somewhere so I can look at it. You got your instruction kit if you need that. And then you get your drill colors. Now, Diamond Art Club does come in DMC colors. You get yellow AB, white AB, and I don't see the other AB. Might have to get them out. We're trying not to get them out too much, but we can get them out. But yes, these are in DMC code numbers, and I do see that there's 2 bags of 792 in here. So, looks like you get a few bags of certain colors. Don't forget to set up the warranty on this, just in case if you need to get extra drills because you spill or whatever. You have to put it under the warranty, so that way it will be orange. Orange is the other color. So orange and yellow, or greenish yellow, and white. Orange, white, and greenish yellow are the AB colors. As you can see, you have almost every color of the rainbow in here. I think you have violets, you have purples, you have blues, every color of the rainbow. So I'm not going to get those out too much because I want to be able to put it back in the bag, because I keep them all in the bag until I'm ready to do it. So this one should be kind of short, quick, and easy, not too much of a hassle, because it is more color blocking. So if you're looking for a good, quick color blocking, very pretty flower, I suggest picking this up either at Joann's. I should stop doing that while I'm talking. Joann's or Diamond Art Club still has this one. I will link it down to in the description so it's easier to get to. But I'm going to have to refold that, and then we'll jump into this other one. So the other one I got is actually called, what is it called? The Head That Wears the Crown. So I kind of got this one because it's a tiger, or no, it's a lion. Sorry, it is a lion, and it reminded me of Narnia a little bit, Aslan. I don't know, it was just, I really like this one. There were 2. This one was the lion, and then there was a tiger one at Joann's, kind of like a techno type one. But I got this one because I really like Aslan and Narnia, so I thought it would be cute for that type of situation. Of course, I have a son who loves lions, he says, even though he hasn't really shown that much interest in certain animals. Like, you know, like a favorite animal or whatever. But when I showed it to him, he seemed to like it, so it might be one that I can put in his room. I don't know, but I got it. Like I said, it was the last one. I do not think you can get it on the Diamond Art Club's website. I could be wrong about that because, yeah. So, this one is 20 by 20, so a good, nice square one. It is 54 colors, 2 ABs, and 32,760 colors on the canvas itself. So again, get the box open. Remember to shake the box a little bit because their little pieces are in the bottom. So your standard toolkit with, well, sometimes that happens. I don't think I got the multi-placer in this one. Oh, no, there's the multi-placer. The multi-placer and your little sticker. So here's this one, little lion. I might actually put the sticker. Now, some people use the little stickers that if you go ahead and kit up, but you don't go ahead and diamond paint, they put the sticker on the boxes that they're using, so that way they know which drills go with which kit. However, I kit up before I do it, so I'm not... One, because I have kids that are under the age of 5, and I have already had a spill from my massive dinosaur one that I did from Diamond Dots, and I don't want to have another incident like that again. So, again, we have round. You have your information on there, how clear it is. It is sparkly. What I mean by that is, to me, there's glitter in this back here. I don't know if you can see how it shimmers, glitters, whatever you want to call it. But again, very clear. Drill field. Now this one is not a lot of color blocking. I can't get my words out this afternoon. Color blocking. It has a few color blocking, black right here. But this is more of different colors. So it's not too many confetti areas, like huge confetti amounts. But if you tape it off, you're going to have a couple different colors here. It has 44 colors with the 2 ABs, which is 1 and 2. It is very neat. I mean, just look at it with it out, not even drilled yet. So this is a decent size 20 by 20, not too big, not too little. Again, you have your instruction kit your instruction thing. You have your sticker with your stickers for your thing, and then you have your colors, which again is white AB, and then what did we say the other color is? So this one is more, oh there, it's like a pink AB. So you're going to have pink AB with white AB. Okay, and then you have your other colors in here. I'm not going to take these out because you can see kind of the colors. You have orange, red, brown, so kind of more like autumn colors. I'd call this autumn colors, but I think this would look cute if you had like a Narnia section in your house, or just even, I don't know. I just thought it was really neat. Tiger, not a tiger. Ooh, it is not a tiger, guys. I don't know why I keep calling it a tiger. It is a lion. Sorry, but again, I've already signed up the warranty with it. Don't get 939 confused with black, because that is not black. So, actually, yes, it does have black. So this does have black. Don't get that confused with your 939s. That happened to me once. I didn't think one of the colors came in, and it actually was in there. You do have a few like teal colors, green colors in there. So very excited about this one. It's very neat. Might do it for like an Easter kit. But again, check your Joann's if you're interested in those kits that are there. They are probably going to be clearancing them out here soon, since they are discontinuing them from Joann's, not from DAC. So, yeah. So, check that out. And I think that's about it. So, hopefully you will like my video, subscribe, and stay tuned in the future for more unboxings and other crafts.